Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to change a video background on a Capcut application. So first thing we have to do is just open the Capcut application, and after that you just need to click a new project if you haven't had any project, but you can also use the previous project that you have. So today I want to have a new project, but I want to use the stock videos that provided by the Capcut. You just need to click this stock video and slide into the left side the segment or the sections that appears on this side, and you just need to go click a scenery probably, or you just need to scrolling down, find out which videos that you want to add into your project. Okay, hold on, let me try to find my video. Okay, here I found one. So this one. Okay, so I want to have this video on my project. You just need to click add, and after that you can see that the background of this video is black, and I want to change the background of this video. So the things we have to do is just by click the clip until it is in active mode, and after that we just need to slide into the left side the features downside here until we found a cut out features. You just need to click it, and after that you just need to click remove background, and now you just need to wait until it 100% removed the background on a video. Okay, hold on, almost there. And yeah, it's already 100% removed from this video. And now to change the background, you just need to go back until you appears in the home features here, and after that you just need to slide these features into the left side until you find a canvas. In this canvas you just need to click it, and now you just need to click a background. Okay, so now you can add the background. You can have your own background by click this if you already have one on your phone or device, but you can also use the background that provided by the Capcut, for example this. And now after you're done choosing the background, for example this or this, yeah, you just need to click this button and go back, and now let's have a try and check our new videos. Okay, so that's all the way how we change a video background on a Capcut application. If you find out this tutorial is quite useful for you guys, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.